Okay, kule lesson lena sizobe solve ama-trigonometric equations. Okay, in trigonometry njengoba wazi sina three types of functions akhona ku-trigonometry. The first one being the sine function, the second one kuba the cos function, and the tan function. 1, 2, and 3. So in order to get a general solution for any trigonometric function, you need to find a reference angle which is equivalent to the second function of that trigonometric function. In this case it's sine minus 1 open bracket, then izosinikeza our reference angle. So in order to uthole general solution yakhona, for the sine function, theta is equal to the reference angle plus this, or theta is equal to 180 minus reference angle plus this is 360 degrees, where k is the element of integers. Ne? So uma uqeda ukusolva ngathini the sine function izoba na two sets of solutions, one being this one, the second one being that one. Ne? And then for the cosine function, it's plus minus reference angle plus 360 times k. Ne? And then for the tan function, siba na one set of general solutions, but for the sine and the cosine siba na two. For the cos it's 2, ne? But azofana, but the only difference is corner, it's the plus and the minus. So lena in two solutions, and in two solutions, but this one in one solutions. So there's a restriction lana, so ne? This restriction lena is telling a value ka m. So m akwamele abe between -1 and 1 for the cosine, but then the m uzoba for the tan function, the m is gonna be a set of real numbers. So another uzoba wonke amalokanje ama real numbers azo apply kulokanje ku tan function, ne? But for the sine and the cos, m kumele abe between -1 and 1. But ungawari ngoba in this tutorial lena sizowenza amalokanje ama examples where ngikhombisa ukuthi wathola kanjani ama general solutions for ama trigonometric functions. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get right into it. Okay, the first equation, let's say solver, it's this one. So the question is solve for theta in the following equations. This is all correct to one decimal place where applicable. Sometimes bangati find the general solution, but then this question, it's another way you phrase my questions, like solve for theta. Sometimes find a general solution. So as I solve this one, I think comment to solve ama trigonometric equations. So mawuthatha ngapha kuna 4 cos theta equal to 1 over cos theta. So in a fraction on the right hand side, so this one, how about the convert a fraction? So from here, and things all ends and so cross multiply. So 4 cos theta times cos theta, it's 4 cos squared theta equal to 1 times 1, tola 1, ne? So uma solve ama trigonometric functions, move everything to one side and then leave 0 on the other side, ne? So in this case is nobani sino 4 cos squared on the left, ngapha sino 1, lo 1 asimlethe ngale, cos squared theta minus 1 equal to 0. So uma uthatha ukubheka lana sesinani we have a squared la, we have a cos squared theta. So this squared is sitshela ukuthi sinani, sine quadratic equation ke manje, ne? But this thing is ngayithatha si-express so as 4x squared minus 1 equal to 0, where the x is equal to cos theta. So I'm just writing it ngapha just for ukulokanje okuyisimplify, ngoba sometimes nawubheke lo cos squared, uma ngithi yilo kanje i-quadratic le equation le iba confusing kancane. So in order ukuthi uyibone ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani, that's why ngithi ngirepresenta u-cos theta as x. So sekunani 4x squared minus 1, this thing kuba yini, i-quadratic equation. So this one kuzoba i-quadratic equation. So and uma uthatha ukuyibheka lama terms lawa ma perfect square, so singayisolva so ke le singathi what is u4 i-perfect square angisho. So what is the square root of 4? It's 2. So nasiyisimplify le quadratic le, so thola perfect square of 4, it's 2. Perfect square of cos squared theta, it's cos theta, minus, and so na solve ama quadratic equations where sinama perfect squares, le bracket le lizofana naleli, cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So ama perfect squares wa solve so, ne? Check in the description below where ngifundisa ukulokanje ukwenza i-factorization. So in this video angifuni ukuhlala kakhulu kuma lokanje angifuni ukufundisa i-factorization. So in this case ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi uwasolva kanjani ama trigonometric equations. But in the description below uzothola wonke ama tools unnecessary ukuthi ukwazi ukusolva amalokanje ama trigonometric equations. So asichubeke. So ngina 2 brackets which are equal to 0. Asenze so, set at the first bracket minus 1 equal to 0, or aso now solve ama quadratic equations uthola ukuthi at the end uba na 2 ama brackets. So uthatha one equator to 0, the other one equator to 0. So sorry, asichubeke nayo. Let's solve for, therefore nasowufika la komele wenze cos theta the subject of the formula, or solve for cos theta. So asisimplify ke manje senze cos theta the subject of the formula. Sithatha lo 1 simletha ngapha, ngisala no cos theta kuba equals to 1. So divide both sides ngo 2, ngithola cos theta which is equal to a half, angisho. And then nangisimplify lena further ngizothola ukuthi cos theta is equal to minus 1 over 2. Lo 1 ngimlethe ngapha ngadivide ngo 2 just like ngenze ngapha, so ne. So asehle nayo ke manje, sichubeke nayo. So masibuyela back ngapha on the first slide, on the previous slide, ne. In this example sinobani simplify further safika up to this point. So thola ukuthi sine cos function and a cos function which is equal to m. In this case lo m ubani u half angisho, and then the other one ubani minus half. Bheka ke manje, cos, this is not squared, remember angisho. So cos theta equal to m, sebenzisa which formula le, i-general solution yethu soyithola ngale formula le, ne. So asichubeke nayo, So from that slide sibone, okay, sizoba na 2 yama solutions la. ne? One being this one, the other one being that one, ne? So for this one, na solution yakhona. Theta is equal to, okay, before uthole general solution yakho, you need to find i-reference angle yakho. So i-reference angle yakho uzoyithola so ke. Uzoyithola so uzothi the second function of cos half, ne? Second function of cos half ungayenza na calculator yakho. I don't think ukuthi iyabonakala kahle la calculator, but you can punch it in on your calculator, then uzothola ukuthi it's 60 degrees. Reference angle for cos theta equal to half, it's 60 degrees. Asenze na this one quickly, equal to uma seku minus half, sithola ukuthi it's 120 degrees. So a general solution for this cos function, ne? It's plus minus the reference angle plus 360 times k. So uma ngibhala kahle ngoba i-reference angle yethu bani 60 degrees izoba plus minus 60 degrees plus a 360 degree k. So or ukhumbula ngisho siphume nabo cos abayi-2, so sizoyenza for sizothola i-solution for this cos and then sithole ne-solution for the other cos. Angisho? So for this one, it's equal to, theta is equal to plus minus the reference angle plus 360 degree k, ne? So theta is equal to plus minus 120 degree plus 360 degree k, ne? Where k is the element of integers, ne? Is an element of integers. So abu k ama integers kahle kahle. So the general solution yakho for this equation abayi-2, this one and this one, but kahle ayi-4 ngoba one e plus enye e negative, enye e plus enye e negative, ne? So general solution uyithola so for this one. So asiqhubeka senze another example. Second one, let's call it the second one. Okay, asiqhubeke na. So for b sinani on our left hand side is no 3 sine squared theta minus 5 sine theta equal to 2. So first thing oyenzayo, movela everything to one side whenever you solve our trigonometric equations. Always sine squared theta minus 5, this is 5 by the way, minus 2 equal to, ne? Mawuthatha ukubheka sesinani sesiba ne-trinomial, ne? I-trinomial no sine squared theta, ne? Nobani no sine theta. So ubheka lama powers ayenzani ayadescenda, so nge-trinomial uzothola ama-factors wayo, ne? 3 sine theta. You can also use it. Look at what's this? Bayibizani lento man. Yeah, ungasebenzisa a quadratic equation to find ama solutions on a quadratic formula, not a quadratic equation, sorry. I'm using the factoring method la, ne? So kuzoba a minus and a plus. So now simplify further. A minus and a plus lana it's 1. So izothi mangehlana izothi 3 sine theta plus 1 equal to 0, or sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So making sine theta the subject of the formula. Ngenzani ngithi sine theta is equal to minus 1 over 3, ne? 3. So sihle nayo lena ngapha sithola ukuthi sine theta is equal to 2. So ngithethe lo 2 ngamletha ngapha ngathola ukuthi it's equal to 2. So uma ngehla nayo, okay, uma ngehla nayo lena kumele ngithole ini ama-reference angle for both yalama solutions la. Reference angle. But check something la. What's happening? Sine theta is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Asibuyele back to the slide sasekuqaleni, ne? For sine theta m wethu, in this case m ubani u2, ne? So m wethu akalayi between -1 and 1. So this is not a solution. Ngizokhomba nokuthi calculate ithini. So isinikeza, bheka nangizothi second function sine 2, ne? Ungayizama na calculate apho is equal to ithi math error. So this one it's not a solution. So ama general solutions angeke abe khona la. So asibone ukuthi this one ilaya between -1 and 1. So leni ine solution ke. Asicalculate i-solution yakhona, it's -1 over 3 equal to, yabona i-answer yethu iphume as a negative number, ne? As a negative angle. So it's minus 19.47 degrees. Oh, the question said kumele sibhale as a in 1 decimal place. So in 1 decimal place the answer is over sorry, so yeah, it's about 19.5 degrees. So masihla nayo ke manje, ne? The general solution for a sine function, ne? General solution for a sine function is the reference angle, ne? The reference angle plus 360 degree K or equal to the reference angle okay, theta is equal to 180 degrees minus the reference angle plus 360 degree K, ne? So as you calculate again, this one is theta is equal to reference angle ubani 19, le negative sign ingaku2, so uyibhala njengoba injalo 19.5 theta 19.5 degrees plus 360 degree K, ne? Or lena solution yakhona kuzoba ubani 180 izoti 180 degrees minus 19.5 degree plus 360 degree K equal to 180 minus 19.5 bese ngiqhubeka nayo izothini. Okay, answer yami for this part le, ne? Izothi 199.5 degree plus 360 degree K, ne? Where K is the element of what? Integers, ne? So ngina two sets of ama general solution. So this one si-cancelile or si leave out. Why? Azange si-simplify further because m wethu akalayi ngathi akekho kuleya restriction of 1 less than m less than equal to 1. Ne? Okay, asiqhubeke. Let's do another example futhi. Let's do another example. Let's start this one. Ne? Start this one. This one it 2 tan squared theta plus tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. Yabona? Ngapha no 0, so it's fine. Everything by movele to one side. So ngabe, like on the previous example, so bonile besithole ukuthi there was stuff ngapha right. So sasayenzani before so solve the equation, sayimuvela to the left hand side. So now before uqala ukusolve ama-trigonometric equations, always move everything to one side. So asiqhubeke sinani konje yini lento lena sithi i-trinomial ngisho. Asisimplify le trinomial sithola ukuthi okay, ungasebenzisa i-quadratic formula, but mina I'm gonna do the factoring method ngisho. This is a quadratic equation, but kunama-trigonometric ratios ezama-variable wethu. Okay, asiqhubeke. So 2 tan theta open bracket is equal to sithola ukuthi it's plus 1 tan theta minus 1. Yes, so it's 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0, or tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is simplify further. So tan theta is equal to 1 over 2 tan theta is equal to minus 1. So there are no issues. Ngathina kunama issues ngaku m bethu. Usakhumbula on the previous slide, on the first slide sitheni m angisho sinani, sine tan function. Sifuna ukuthola general solution for a tan function, and m is the element of real numbers. Is an element or the element of real numbers. So a set of real numbers, it's any number. It can be square root of 2, whatever. But lana sino half and minus 1. So m wethu ukahle m wethu. So before so thola ama general solutions kumele sithole the reference angle angisho. The reference angle. So reference angle yethu uzoba ubani for tan half sibone tan 0.5, which is half, is equal to 26.6. Answer it is about 26.6 degrees. Ne? Let's check minus 1 again. Minus 1 equal to no, second function minus 1. So look, it's minus 45 degrees. The minus sign you keep. So the general solution for a tan function is reference angle plus 180 degrees. Ne? Reference angle is equal to 180 degrees. Reference angle plus 180 degrees times k. Ne? So for le general solution for the equation lena sithola ukuthi ubani, it's 26.6 degrees. Theta is equal to 26.6 degrees plus 180 degree k, ne? Or theta is equal to minus 45 degree plus 180 k. This is our reference angle for this one. So in a two sets of solutions, this one and this one. Ne? Yeah. Now my solutions work together. Ne? Where k is an element of integers. In a moment, this is when a different example it's nothing. It's a trigonometric equation, but it's slightly different. So this one, ne? You are given an equation, ne? But this time by restrictor ini ama solutions wakho. Ama general solutions angisho. This answer le, ne? This answer le, even nalawa siwathole previously kulamanye ama questions lawa, ne? Uyabona ukuthi le equation le or lama solutions lawa are general. So why are general? Because of k can be any integer. Nangizo substitute ngo k la kuzophuma a value of a degree, kuzophuma i value ka theta as a degree. So ama solutions are maningi. That's why I city i general solution, i generalize lawo ma solutions. But for this question lena sifuna ukwazi ukuthi lawo ma solutions wale equation le yimaphi ama solutions wale equation le for this restriction between 0 degrees and 360, ne? It's still a general, so thola i general solution iqala bese sithola ama solutions between 0 degree and 360 degrees. So asenze so ke manje tokuqala oyenzayo uyagena mos now move everything to one side, but leyo nto leyo sebayenzile already. The question lena sizoyisolva so ke bheka ke la ngina two terms. It happens ukuthi kune common factor la. It so happens ukuthi kune common factor. Common factor yami ubani? Tan theta open bracket nangikhipha le common factor kusala 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. So this lena so equator to 0, ne? Or lena nayo bese siyayithatha equator to 0, ne? So let's solve for theta, ne? Asithola ama general solutions for this one. Okay, lena thing simplify further ngizothola ukuthi sin theta is equal to a half, ne? Ngizothola ukuthi sin theta is equal to a half. So asithola ama reference angles for la. Sithola ama reference angles la. Qala bese sithola ama general solutions. What's the reference angle? Reference angle ka 0 degrees 1. Reference angle ka 0. Tan theta is equal to 0. It's 0 degrees. Second function sine, it's half la. It's half. So with the reference angle 30 degrees. So theta is over equal to, for the solution yala is over body, and so it's a reference angle plus 180 degree k. So theta is equal to 0 degrees plus 180 degree k. Theta la or general solution yala na okay. It's a reference angle plus 360 degree k. Theta is equal to reference angle ubani 30 degree plus 360 degree k. Or another solution can be 180 degree minus reference angle plus 360 degree k, where k is the element of integers. Ama integers wakho, ama integers ama whole number, so it can be any number between, like from infinity, from minus infinity, minus from to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on and so on, ne? So asibone-ke manje. Asho bathi sithole ama-solutions wethu between what? 0 degree and 360 degrees, ne? Bheka-ke. Kulabo k bakho lapha, ne? Uzosubstitute lama integers lawa. Mina ngiprefer ukuthi okay, asithrow a table. Maybe izoba organize ama-solutions wethu much better kanjalo, ne? Organize ama-solutions wethu much better. Let's say sino k, ne? And then x wethu, no, it's no theta la, ne? Let's say lona theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, ne? Asho sina 3 ama-solutions, 1, 2 and 3, ne? Remember, okay, asithi 1, theta 2, theta 3, ne? Theta 3. Asicale okay is an element of what? Of integer. So asebenzise okay, asicale substitute uloga u-minus 2, sifake u-minus 1, sifake u-0, sifake u-1, sifake no-2, ne? Sifake no-2. So asithathe asubstitute kulo kanje, substitute la. Asithathe this one, theta 1 is equal to 0 degrees plus 180 degree times k. K wethu wokuqala somsubstitute awubani? U-minus 2, ne? Ungaqala no-minus 3, ungaqala ngo-minus 3 or minus 4, but then izokuthatha isikhathi ukuthi uyisolve. But then uma uyiqala ku-minus 2 up to 2, ne? Uzobona amanye ama-solutions ozowathola la kule table yakho angeke abe part of le restriction le, ne? So it's best ukuthi uyiqale ku-minus 2 ubone kuqala. Okay, asiqale ngo-theta 1. Theta 1 is equal to 0 degree plus 180 degrees times k. K wethu ubani? Minus 2 for theta 1. So it's minus 2. Sithole ukuthi it's minus 360 degrees. Second one, k wes 2 ubani? Minus 180 degrees, ne? Second one u-0, the second one u-0, uthole ukuthi u-0, k nangabe u-1, utheta kuba ubani? Kuba 180 degrees. Utheta nangabe u-2, no sorry, k nangabe u-2, answer yethu kuba ubani? 360 degrees. For theta number 2, theta 2, it's 30 degrees plus 360 degrees times k. K wethu wokuqala ubani? U-minus 2. For theta 2, okay wethu wokuqala somsubstitute u-minus 2, ne? So minus 2, minus 690 degrees, minus 1, minus 3 degrees, 0 is equal to 30 degrees. K nangabe 1 is equal to 390 degrees times 2, 750, ne? Degrees. Asenze ulo kanje uloga u-theta 3. Theta 3 is equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees plus 360. K wethu wokuqala ubani? Minus 2 equals to minus 1, ngithole ukuthi it's minus 10 to 10 degrees, 0, it's 150 degrees. 1, it's 5, 10. Okay, let's singasayisolve ngoba izoba inkulu or asiyenze. It's 870 degrees. And the equation ithini? Ithola ama-solutions between 0 degrees and 360. Ne? So from this table le, so uyabona ukuthi okay, lena ayikho between 0 and 360 degrees. Nale, ne? Not this one, not this one, not this one. Nale, it's like zonke lezi ezinegative azikho part of ama-solutions. So ama-solutions wethu ubani? 150, 30, 0 degree, 180 and 360 degrees. So yeah, lesson yethu for today izophelela la, ne? But then ama takeaways for lelo kanje, this lesson, whenever you solve ama trigonometric equations, the first thing uyenzayo komele umuve le ini, komele umuve everything to one side. Asithathe question B for example, everything komele uyimuvele to one side. Nangabe ivela as a trinomial ilo kanje, equation yakho nangabe iyachinja iba i-trinomial, ya-factorize, or ungasebenzisa i-quadratic formula. Sometimes unokuyithola as a perfect square. Now uyithola as a perfect square, uyazi ukuthi wenzani, but then in the description below ngizoshiya ama-video where akufundisa ukulu kanje ukufactorize nangabe i-background yakho yokufactorize isese-shaking yana. So yeah, thanks for watching, and then stay tuned for more. Peace.